So continuing with our removing element from the list, suppose I require the last element to be removed. So we have one more method called pop method, POP, and the parenthesis within the parenthesis. Right, in this case, suppose I want that this last element to be removed. Right, so in this case what I'll be doing is that I'll be typing flower dot pop, and I'll just do print the variable flower. We'll see what will happen. So in this case, shift plus enter. So you find that the last element lavender has been removed. So you can use the pop method to remove the last element in the list. So del, for using the del command, here you have to place the position of the index number of the element. In this case, there is no requirement of that. Here, suppose you want the last element of the list to be removed, it will remove. Once again, we'll try the same code, flower dot pop, and we'll see whether the last element is lotus, whether it is getting removed or not. So print flower, the variable, and just type shift plus enter. So in this case, you find the last element called lotus has been removed from the list, and you have only the three elements: tulip, lily, and jasmine.